what's going on? Rob here. You are watching yourself an episode of Man versus the Mall. This is brand new. I've never done this before, but we are here with my neighbor, my YouTube compadre, the Crazy Russian Hacker.
What's up, guys?
You know, I was here at the mall the other day, and I realized that there are all of the internet foods. They're all right here.
When did that happen?
There is Dragon's Breath cereal, rolled ice cream, along with the Philly taco.
Oh yeah, what's that?
You, my friend, you're about to find out. So we are headed over to the Dragon's Breath cereal station. Look at that fanciness.
Oh, that looks cool. Can you give us some extra? I will not sue you.
Okay, all right. Attention, food products extremely cold. Do not touch with your hands.
There you go. Be careful.
What, we're gonna share?
We're sharing. That's what you do at the mall. We're like besties. All right, we've got our Dragon cereal.
You know the best ones are to the bottom.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good.
That's my favorite. We have audience. Hey, what's up? Hey. You guys have to try.
No. Oh man, what a psych out. Here, you could try it. Here you go.
Oh, okay.
I just dropped this on a mall seat. I'm not gonna eat that.
Don, it's so cold. Whoa, you do not shoulderings. I never seen that before.
Now, did you ever hang out at the mall as a kid?
Not really. In Soviet Russia, they didn't have that too many malls.
Or they're just like potatoes?
No, not
like
anymore.
Vodka?
It's actually pretty big now.
Oh, Taras is freezing his little jet.
Wow, I never done that before. That's so weird.
You can't use it anymore.
No, what do you mean? It's a candy. Check this out.
Oh, damn.
It's so cold.
How many of them do you think you can fit in your mouth at one time?
It's all blown.
Oh, damn. Crazy Russian Hacker's getting crazy. Are you counting?
Whoa,
12?
whoa.
5 of them.
Man, look at it smoke. It's still going.
If you thought trying to understand this guy before was hard,
What do you mean? That makes perfect sense.
we're going for the record. Taras had 5. We're going for the rest of the cup.
I think you beat me.
Now we are headed to the food court,
What are we gonna do next?
the Philly taco.
I never heard about that.
So there's a taco in Philadelphia. They take a cheesesteak and they wrap it inside of a pizza.
Heck yeah, I'm ready.
I would like to get an entire pizza. Boom. That is what we needed. Thank you so much. Here at Charlie's Philly Steaks. Here we go. That's the good looking stuff right there. Are you from Philadelphia? No. You know the secret recipe for the Philly cheesesteak. Nice. Thank you so much. Taras and I, we have to sit in like the corner of the mall so that way nobody recognizes him. That looks pretty legit. That guy was from Philadelphia. He knows what he's talking about.
I think he was kidding. I don't think he's really from Philadelphia.
What?
Like, he was making fun of
They
us.
only hire those guys from Philadelphia. Here we go. We got the pizza. So you put the cheesesteak in it.
Which
Like
way?
right here, like right dead center in the middle.
Oh wow, perfect fit.
Yeah. And you just close it up.
Oh shh.
That's hot. Woo.
Hot hands.
The hot hands challenge.
challenge. Come on, can you do it? Mine looks so much better. What happened?
This is supposed to be like a taco, so you're supposed
Oh,
to
it's
just...
a taco. But look, I got a burrito. I thought it was a burrito challenge.
Close enough. This is the Philly burrito.
That's insane.
Oh, he's going for it. He's just going for it. Oh, yeah.
This is good.
That's real f***ing good. Boom. That's what we're looking at. Here, you can grab a little bite of that. Huh? Fucking delicious, am I right?
The best part is like middle of it. Honestly, I didn't think it's gonna taste good, but it's actually delicious. Definitely like, wow, I never had this before.
There's no other way to eat a pizza anymore.
What is the weight of it? What do you think? At least like 4 pounds.
Like a 3.5 pounder. Like a small child.
Wait, don't we have anything else to taste after it?
Believe it or not, we are sitting right next to the rolled ice cream parlor. Rolled and roasted.
Oh yeah.
So you've never had this before.
Never.
Here it is, here it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come on
This is
now.
what we're here for.
That's the magic.
Yeah.
What?
I mean, this is so satisfying. I can watch this all day.
Next week, Taras works at the roll and roasted. That's how it's done, folks. Here we go. Thank you so much. You're the best.
Genius.
Absolutely genius.
I mean, how do you come up with this thing?
Oh, you can't eat it with a spoon. What are you doing?
What am I gonna do?
You gotta take the whole thing out. You gotta eat it
good
like
idea.
Oh yeah. I'll feed you. You feed me.
No.
What? Come on, open up. Here we go. Okay. Oh, all right.
This is amazing.
Oh yeah. This isn't a mess at all. Back at our spot. If you ever come to the Asheville Mall, this is where we'll be. See, now what I've been dying to do is just to unroll the ice cream and eat it.
There's a new challenge, guys. You know what? I actually have a gadget how to roll your own ice cream. I have it at home. I'm on one day try.
Of course you have that battery at home. What do you do with all your gadgets?
Put in the basement. One day I'm gonna donate it or something.
One of these days.
Yep.
Hi! You've now made it into our video. We're eating rolled ice cream. Have you ever had it before?
I have, and oh my god, you guys are my favorite YouTubers.
Oh, I doubt that.
Yes, you
Liza Koshy is your favorite YouTuber.
I watch Liza Koshy. I watch you guys religiously. Oh my god, that makes me so happy.
It was nice meeting you. There we go. How do you feel? You made that girl's day.
You did.
No, you did.
Yeah.
No, you did.
No, you did.
All right, hands are super sticky. We're gonna go wash them. All right, so what you're looking at here are two professional claw machine experts.
It says win up to $100. Oh wow, I like this technique. Oh, you missed! You missed! Yeah, that's sticking out pretty good right there. Oh! I'm gonna steal yours.
Oh, if he gets this one, I'm gonna be so... Oh, okay.
You got this. That was bad.
That was bad. I think they put oil on all of them too, so they make it extra slippery. Oh, what? This is what I've been training for. Oh, we're just throwing money away. Or I think we should go for the stuffed animal. That's it. Here it is.
Look how wide it opens. Yeah. Ta-da! Success! This is what we're here for. Okay, how much was your pig?
$27.
Ooh!
Squishy right here.
It's a stress. Piggy. I really want the Starbucks.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh! This is better than Fortnite, you know? This one right here. Oh! Minor adjustment. No! Yeah. Oh, they were so close.
This is getting intense. Dude, you see that? We are down to one remaining credit. This is it.
Okay, there you go. I believe in myself.
There's crazy magic Russian fingers over here.
LT, come on.
Oh, Oh, it's rigged. This whole thing is rigged. 0 credits remaining. We just got done with the claw games, the crane games.
Starbucks, don't try it.
Yeah.
It's just impossible.
I feel like the claw game really just took it out of us.
It's fun though.
But the one thing that we still need to do, what? Is we need to go to Claire's and we need to get our ears pierced. Huh? What do you think? How do I look?
Perfect.
We can get our ears pierced for free in here. Where do they go? Man, I was ready. I was ready to do it. I'd get a little hoop, a little diamond right there. No? Okay.
Let's go get coffee.
There you go.
There you go.
There's the cups.
Let's buy one and say that we won.
We could just throw it back in the machine. Well, we did it, my friend.
We did it, look.
How much did that cost you?
$2 at the actual Starbucks.
Leave a comment below if you want to see me and Taras make some more videos because, like I said, we're local, we're friends, we're family. He came to my housewarming. Got me a good bottle of tequila, by the way. That was
How
really
was
nice.
that?
Oh, it was delicious. Cheers. Thanks for hanging out at the mall. We'll see you around here next time.